Hey guys, Charlie here. I know in our prior videos we talked about doing the exhaust for the Mercedes GTR RENNtech, and we're just going to do secondary catalytic. And we decided after talking to RENNtech, we had them ship their exhaust. So we'll be going from 4 800 cell cats to 2 200 cell cats. And how their system works is their downpipe will have the 200 cell cat on each side from the turbos, and it has the O2 sensors, and then it goes down in the stock titanium GTR exhaust will have 2 more 800 cell cats. So this exhaust will replace the 2 up top with 200 cells, and then the bottom will just be straight piped. This per RENNtech will not have any lights go on, still function, still meet guidelines for getting it inspected, I guess, especially I guess out here in Arizona. I'm not sure about California. That's something you may want to ask RENNtech. Yeah, let's see how they packaged it, see what we have. And then Rich at DynoComp in Scottsdale, Arizona is going to be doing the install for us. And we may do a before and after from a stock exhaust to a post RENNtech exhaust comparison for dyno numbers. Also a little shout out, Recon 1, this is a resin, all titanium, super cool. Brian and I, one of my coworkers here, we've been collecting blades. Every time he orders one, he just orders me one, which is, it seems like he's getting one a week. So he has quite a collection. So pretty cool. So he's getting me addicted to doing these. So anyway, shout out to them. Let's see what we got here. So a lot of these manufacturers do a really good job packaging. You can tell with the Porsche stuff that we've gotten for the Club Sport, you know, everybody's been really good at packaging this material. This exhaust goes for about $5 grand. Per RENNtech, it should only take about 4 to 5 hours to do the install. And what's cool with RENNtech as well, they don't do a one piece. It is actually a 2 piece. And the reason why that's important, if you have the stock exhaust is all one piece, and to take it out as one piece, you have to take the motor out supposedly, or move the motor. So with the 2 piece, you won't have to do that for reinstall. So a lot of guys, what they're doing is right on the downpipes on the bottom, it starts to turn. You want to cut them right before there. And we're going to use the proper tool to cut it. So if we ever do want to put the original exhaust back on, we just use C-clamps or whatever, and we could do that. Let's see here, little goodie bag. So anti-seize, looks like for maybe the O2 sensors or whatever that is. Yeah, they did a good job packaging it, so that's good. Rich at DynoComp's going to be probably mad that I unpacked these, but he's literally right around the block. So, Rich, don't be too much, everybody. Yeah, good job. These are white. Brian, what do you think this coating is? Because they did coat them.
Looks like ceramic to me.
Yeah, I think you're right. Oh, that is sick. So pretty cool. It looks like they are serialized, or at least maybe part numbered. Made in the USA. Pretty sick. Let's test them. Pretty
In
legit,
tune.
dude. All right, so let's see what the cats look like. On their website, they have a whole bunch of information of who's manufacturing the cats. It's really important. Several manufacturers always want to know exactly who's manufacturing the cats, because there's some cheap cats out there, especially when you're dealing with extreme heat with catalytic converters, etc. Yeah, you know, they just crush it, man. Everything they do at RENNtech, they just do a great job. And I love the coating. See the size of the cats. Still looks like they flow pretty good. This is really small. It might be the same diameter, but again, being a 200 cell, it's going to breathe way more than an 800 cell. 800 cell is just ridiculous tight. So yeah, super impressed, you guys. Again, part number or serial number, whatever they're doing. Pretty sick. Pretty cool as well.
Looks like we have some V-band style clamps here.
Which is really good. These are probably, what do you think, Brian? The better way to go is the V-bands?
I'm not an exhaust expert, but they do tend to seal well, and you see all the companies that are widely respected using a similar clamping system.
So this looks like a Mercedes genuine part. So that's pretty cool. Then another, probably maybe for the downpipes when they come down.
Nice
for a different
bracket.
Yeah, for a different pickup. So thanks, RENNtech. On to Rich at Dyno Count and get this installed. Keep you posted.
So let's take a look. This is your horsepower before, your horsepower after.